Hi, I'm Gary Klaus from Genesis Rescue Systems, and this is the new Genesis Hose Decon System, a portable hose decontamination system that can be deployed quickly and easily on scene, run by a Milwaukee battery that can take the gross contaminants of any fire scene off the hose as quickly as possible. First, place the HDS on stable ground close to where you're packing hose. It's lightweight and portable, so you can set it up anywhere. Then, let's connect our 1.5 or 1 3/4 supply line to the 1.5 coupling. The unit is clearly marked with both an in and an outside for hose direction. Next, grab the dirty hose and guide it into the inlet. Once the hose is in place, the built-in bristles automatically grip and start cleaning. Simply pull the hose through the unit with gentle pressure. The bristles scrub off soot and carcinogens as it moves through. If the hose is extremely dirty, you have your option to pull the hose back gently and rewash a section, or run the entire hose through again. Once the hose is through, it's ready to be packed up without spreading contamination to your apparatus or firehouse. Compare that to an unclean hose. You can see the difference. And when you're done, simply grab the unit, put it back in the rig, and you're ready to go for your next fire scene. That's it. Simple, fast, efficient. Get the gross decon off your hoses at the fire scene to keep the rigs safer for our people. Stay safe and keep your equipment clean.